Welcome to 2052 Lynn Heights Drive, a beautifully updated and well-maintained 4+1 bedroom home with 3 washrooms situated in a great family neighborhood of Pickering's Liverpool community. A befitting entry into this brick home is its tiered stone walkway and landscaped gardens. And through the front door is a spacious ceramic tiled foyer and reception area, while dark hardwood flooring is showcased throughout the main level principal rooms. The formal entertaining spaces of the living and dining rooms are open to each other, with the living room featuring a northeast-facing bay window with elegant window treatments and a color palette enhancing its warm and inviting aura. The dining room, which is graced with deep crown moldings and an elegant chandelier, evokes a Victorian-era ambiance, and with a southwest-facing exposure, its window, as well as those in the breakfast and family rooms, have California shutters for light diffusion. A ceiling fan light, pendant lights, and pot lighting all provide additional brightness for the kitchen area, with this beautiful meal prep and family space showcasing a glass-tiled backsplash, stone counters with seating and a stainless steel undermount sink at the peninsula, as well as black appliances including a built-in microwave and dishwasher, French door fridge, and oven, all set against the crispness of white cabinetry that offers abundant storage and the convenience of a wall pantry. The breakfast area walkout opens to the outdoor entertaining space of a stone patio with privacy lattice and covered by a pergola. The patio and pergola wrapping around the rear of the home and overlooking a fenced-in backyard oasis with landscaped gardens and shaded by mature trees during the summer months. For relaxing evenings and casual get-togethers, the family room has a welcoming atmosphere and added warmth from a wood-burning fireplace with a floor-to-ceiling stone mantel. The main level also features a double coat closet in the foyer, a lovely powder room, its wood vanity having an upgraded counter with an undermount basin, a laundry room with vinyl plank flooring, washer and dryer, access to the yards and the double-car garage, as well as closet and cabinetry storage, and curved staircases with railings having the timeless color contrast of light and dark to the upper and lower levels, the lower staircase being carpeted, the upper staircase's treads and risers also having the same timeless finish. The upper level is carpeted throughout for added coziness and features 4 bedrooms and 2 washrooms. The 3rd and 4th bedrooms both have 2 northeast-facing windows. The 4th bedroom's windows are complete with wood Venetian blinds, and the 3rd bedroom has wood shutters. While the southwesterly-facing window in the 2nd bedroom has a cellular privacy blind, and all 3 feature double closets with either single or double doors. These bedrooms also share the main 4-piece washroom, which has ceramic flooring laid on the diagonal, a ceramic tiled bath area with a mosaic accent border, a vanity with stone counter, and a linen closet just outside its door. Through a double-door entry is the incredibly spacious master suite, which showcases a walk-in closet, a contemporary light fixture, and a beautiful sitting area by the northeast-facing bay window. Its ensuite washroom is naturally bright, yet has a relaxing aura and features tiled finishes throughout, a shower area with a pot light and glass door, a step-up corner soaker tub, as well as a vanity with an upgraded countertop, a vessel basin, and a contemporary vanity light. The finished lower level offers great family and entertaining space, as well as lots of storage, including a cold room, a combined workshop and storage room, another storage room which is roughed in for plumbing, giving it future potential as a washroom, storage under the stairs, as well as closet storage in the very spacious recreation area. This room also features a French door entry, pot and sconce lighting, a gas fireplace, and vinyl plank flooring. While Berber broadloom adds coziness to a bonus room ideal as a bedroom or a hobby room that is complete with a double closet and an egress window. A short walk to Lynn Heights Park, minutes to the Glendale Marketplace Plaza, and within the catchment area of Maple Ridge Public, St. Isaac Jogues Catholic Elementary, Dunbarton High, and St. Mary Catholic Secondary Schools for their French immersion programs. This home is also just a short drive to the Pickering Town Centre Mall, the GO Station, and has easy access to Highway 401. As well as being close to the shopping, entertainment, and waterfront enjoyment of Pickering's beautiful Frenchman's Bay community along Lake Ontario. Thinking of selling or buying? Call Shiv Bansal at 647-523-8201.